Now I'm gonna take you to the fanciest steakhouse right here on our countertop.
Look at the grill marks on there.
Look how beautiful they are. They're sizzling. Oh man, they look so good. So I air fried them and then I grilled them. We got these amazing grill marks because of our beautiful grill plate underneath there.
And there is no smoke in this room. I love this.
These are monster strip steaks though. Now let's take a look at our steakhouse quality steaks. Oh, look at that.
Word.
I think they are perfect. The steak is cooked beautifully all the way through. Here,
It's
I'm
my
gonna cut
favorite.
this for you right here.
Awesome.
Right there, there you
Yum,
go.
yum, yum.
They're charred just perfectly. Oh man.
Tender. Melt in my mouth. Delicious, delicious flavors.
Doesn't it taste like we did it outside on our outdoor grill?
We're gonna have to go out and heat.
And look, you see any smoke?
Nope.
The PowerXL Combo 12-in-1.